Hi everyone, good evening. So in today's video lecture, we'll be talking about modules. Okay, so modules in Python are very straightforward and very simple. So it's nothing but just a code library, okay, that consists of functions or variables that can be used. Okay, so whatever imports you do, whatever imports are happening, those files are the modules. Okay, so like there are multiple modules already existing in Python. Some of them are NumPy, pandas. They are used for data science, data analytics, you know, and in ML as well. So these are the example of modules. Okay, so in this video lecture, I'll be talking more about how to create a module and how to use them. Okay, so as I suggested, key in a module, like it is a code library that consists of functions and variables. Okay, so to build a module, like it's a very simple. So in your current Python, like in your current directory, like if you are in any folder, just create a file name new.py. Okay, and in that file, if you just do uh, import date. Oh, okay, like I should not be giving this example right now. So if you just create a hash map or a dictionary, so in this new.py file, let's suppose I am creating a dictionary like name student. I will be giving name. Okay, I'll give the name Prajwal right now. Okay, uh, roll number. So I'll be giving 1 because 1 was my roll number in college. Okay, and let's say I'll go for stream, so I'll give it IT. Okay, and one thing that I can give is years of experience, so I'll just give 4. Okay, so this is your one file, and you have just a student name written on it. And one thing I can also do is I can just type print hello world. Okay, actually this will not do much difference, so I'll be removing this for now. Okay, so you have just created a file, and in that file you have just added a normal dictionary with the name student. Okay, now if I take my file, like now I am going to build a new file, and in that file I am going to name it as demo.py. Okay, now to import this module, what I need to do, I will just do import. What happened to this handwriting? I'll just do import. I'm not sure what is happening. Yeah, so I'll just do import new in my demo.py file. Okay, and I'll just do print new dot not new dot student and name. Okay, so what is happening when I did import new, so my Python function imported this file new.py file in my demo.py file, and in this new file I have this variable name student. So to call it, I'll do new dot student variable name, and then square, like how are we going to call a key value pair inside a hash map inside a dictionary. So I'll just do this. Okay, so this will give Prajwal as an output. Okay, now the real reason to use modules. Okay, so this was just a basic example. Now, as I said ki it is a code library, so it will be consisting of functions, variables, and much more. Okay, so I'll be just now in my new.py file. Okay, I'll just name it module.py file. Okay, so here I'll be creating a function. So this is how we create a function, def, and let's suppose I do add x y, return x plus y. Similarly, I do multiply. Okay, I'll pass x y and return x into y. Okay, so I have created a module file which will be having two functions, addition and multiplication. Now I'll be using this file inside my let's say demo.py file only. Okay, I'll name it calculate.py. Okay, so if I want to use all the functions inside of module.py inside the calculate.py, so first of all I have to import this module, import module. Okay, and then to use a function, what I can do is I will this is my calculate.py file only. Okay, I'll be declaring a integer x and integer y, and then what I'll do is I'll do module dot add x and y and module dot multiply x and y. So module function is already imported here. Module is already imported here, and add is a function inside of our module.py file. Okay, so module.add will call this function and it will return this. So this will be returning as 15 and this will be returning as 50. Okay, so you can test it by yourself in your code editor. It's very easy to understand. Okay, now let's talk little bit more about how you can import the modules as well. So as you can see, I have named it as import module. It can be little bit confusing in coming future when you will be using your code again. So one thing you can do is you can import the modules that you are importing and give them a name and use those name instead. Okay, so how you can do is you can do import module and then use a keyword as md. Okay, so this entire module you can use the like variable name md, so it becomes its name. Okay, and then you can use it. So if I do x equals to 10, y equals to 5, so instead of module.add I can just do md.add xy and md.multiply x and y as well. So this will also give us same answer, 15 and 50. Okay, and now one other thing that I would like to talk about modules is if you want to like I have arranged two functions inside of this module.py file. Okay, but in one of the file I just need this function and in another file I just need this function. So let's suppose I have one file named addition.py. So in this file I just need add function from my module. So to do that I can do from module import add. Okay, and then same x equals to 10, y equals to 5, and from module import add as let's say s only, and I can do actually this does not need to be here. Okay, so add is already imported, so you can use directly like this, add x comma y. Okay, so I think this is more about it. You have done the renaming of the module. This is called as renaming of the module. This is importing in the module. So yeah, you can import a function or you can import a constant variable as well. So like over here I have defined a student variable, a dictionary. So I can also import just dictionary as well. So for that I need to do from new import student. Okay, just this. If like this can be used if there are like multiple functions inside new.py file as well. Okay. Okay, so theoretically this is much like this is more than enough for the modules. I have provided each of the ways that how you can use the module. So you can test it by yourself as well. Just create an entire calculate function or like whatever function you want, and then you can use the module that particular code for Python file as a module in your different Python files. Okay, so yeah, this is much about the modules. And yeah, if you guys have any doubts or any issues, please do ping me or in the comments. Okay, you can reach me out in my LinkedIn as well. And yeah, if you have any like suggestions, please do let me know. I just want to help each and one of you to be better in Python and learn something from these videos. If you like these videos, do like press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos with more of your friends. Till then, have a very nice evening and goodbye.